ChatGPT is something that everyone has been talking about recently. But what exactly is ChatGPT and why does everyone care about it? ChatGPT, created by the company OpenAI, is a computer program that can understand and write like a person. It can explain how to write code for games, write essays, summarize articles, and so much more. Well, how is this even possible? Well, it's all thanks to AI. ChatGPT uses algorithms and other techniques to generate text responses based on the prompts that it's given. So what's the buzz about ChatGPT? Why is everyone talking about it?
ChatGPT.
Here are a few reasons. Number 1, education. Having an extremely powerful AI chatbot can raise some ethical questions in school. Since ChatGPT can understand prompts, people can copy and paste homework questions into ChatGPT and it can potentially answer those questions. ChatGPT can also write content for papers based on prompts. This functionality could lead to students relying on AI instead of actually doing the work themselves. Some argue, though, that with moderation, ChatGPT can be used in education to assist in creativity, such as generating ideas for businesses, projects, games, or stories. ChatGPT can also help with math because it can explain how to do math problems and create practice questions for review. Number 2, jobs. Some believe that ChatGPT could replace workers in certain jobs, like journalists and writers, because of its ability to write articles and other content. However, some argue that ChatGPT lacks the authenticity and creativity of a human, so it may not be direct replacement for these jobs. Number 3, data. Finally, one of the biggest limitations of ChatGPT is that its dataset is limited to 2021. This means questions that require information beyond this time point not work. Also, there isn't much of a filter for ChatGPT to determine what is right and wrong information, which could potentially lead to inaccurate results. So what do you think? Is ChatGPT a good thing? Are you excited? Do you plan on using it? Comment your thoughts down below.